Want to take a screenshot on your iPhone without using the physical buttons? You have 3 built-in options. The first is Siri. If you have Siri enabled, simply say, "Hey Siri, take a screenshot," and it will capture your screen instantly. To turn Siri on, go to Settings, tap Siri in Search or Apple Intelligence in Siri on newer versions, and enable Hey Siri. The second option is AssistiveTouch. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch and tap AssistiveTouch. Turn it on to display a floating on-screen button. You can add screenshot to the top-level menu, or set a single tap on the floating button to capture the screen without opening a menu. The third option is Back Tap. In Settings, go to Accessibility, tap Touch, then scroll down to Back Tap. Choose either double tap or triple tap and set it to Screenshot. Now you can capture the screen by tapping the back of your iPhone. That's all it takes to take screenshots without buttons. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite iPhone shortcut in the comments, and subscribe for more quick iOS tips.